A unique strategy you can use. A husband and wife sent out letters of dispute to the credit bureaus regarding their bankruptcy. The husband sent out a neatly handwritten letter on lined, legal sized yellow paper. The wife had her typed and printed out on white paper. Guess who got their bankruptcy deleted? And who got a letter back saying that bankruptcy was verified and would remain on record? The husband's yellow handwritten letter was successful, and the wife's computer printed letter was not. This illustrates why I advise personalizing your letter just a bit.